guys, we have a beautiful little gift for you this week. So this week vlogs is gonna be with my little daughter Temoçin Aslan. Say hi babacım. Say hi. No hi? Okay. So we are starting our ride from Saint Laurent. The reason why we are alone with my daughter is because our beautiful mama has a nail appointment. So we have to spend 2 hours alone, and then we decided to make a content together. We are turning all around the beautiful Rodeo Drive. Again, Flip Line's store and his crazy designs. To be honest, not too extraordinary, but like at least his style has personality. Like this is another success story, Bijan. I will try to share more information about what is Bijan and who is Bijan. So you can see out there, they have a very nice decor. It's very common to see a lot of celebrities, luxury cars, celebrities with bodyguards, models, like right now someone says photo shoots. Which one you like? This place, Gallery Michael, and this artist is Mr. Brainwash, born 1966. It's titled Pop Wall. This is the new style of art, let's say, and it's 6-screen mixed media on paper. This is the sign and certificate, $34,800. Another statue here, artist Amos Robinson is asking for $20,800. These all of them one-of-one pieces. Another artist, Day Young, born 1955. It's an experienced artist. He named his art Slender Torso in 2005. They're asking for $5,800. Like lots of art pieces inside. They're not even putting the real one out here. They're just demonstrating like this diamond twister. I don't know how much is the price. I'm not gonna lie, to be honest, it's first time that I ever seen Ferrari has a clothing brand. Oh my god. She's so strong.
Come on! Come.
She's so strong. Ha? Şimdi baby kaç. Bravo.
Hey, JJ! Mwah, kiss. Bravo. Yeah. You miss JJ? You miss JJ, baby? Wow.
She's so strong. I cannot hold her. I'm just like this. And then she's so pushing, fighting with me.
But she is taking my hand. You go first and then I will check how is it and I will come. Ooh, water, no.